Hey everybody, welcome to Beyond the Body. In today's video, we're going to go over 10 keto coffee recipes you should try. Make sure to watch it to the end of the video because I believe this is the best recipe you should try. But before we get started, be sure to check out the link in the description for the #1 weight loss solution. Definitely check it out. Also, go ahead and like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Now let's get straight into the video. The ketogenic diet has been gaining a lot of popularity lately. But what is it? The ketogenic diet is based on a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan. This way of eating has been shown to offer several health benefits, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and decreased inflammation. When you're trying to stick to a keto diet, coffee can be a great ally. Not only does it help you wake up and feel more alert, but it can also help keep you feeling full. That's because coffee contains compounds like caffeine and chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to promote feelings of fullness. In addition, coffee is a good source of healthy fats, which are an important part of the ketogenic diet. Adding a little bit of cream or milk can help increase the fat content of your coffee and make it more satisfying. A new study has found that coffee may help to protect the brain from cognitive decline. The study, which was conducted by researchers at the University of South Florida, looked at these effects of coffee on a group of middle-aged adults over a period of 10 years. The participants were asked to complete a series of tests that measured their memory, attention span, and executive function. The results of the study showed that those who drank more coffee had better cognitive scores than those who did not drink coffee. The researchers believe that the antioxidants in coffee may help to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. This is not the first study to suggest that coffee may be good for the brain. Previous research has linked coffee consumptions to a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Drinking coffee on a keto diet can also help boost your metabolism and promote weight loss. So if you're looking for a way to stay energized and motivated on your diet, we have some great keto coffee recipes you should definitely try. Starting with #1, keto butter coffee. If you're like me, you love coffee. There's just something about the smell of freshly brewed coffee in the morning that makes me feel awake and alive. But sometimes I want something more than just a cup of joe. I want something that will give me sustained energy throughout the day. That's where keto butter coffee comes in. Keto butter coffee is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. The recipe is simple. Just add grass-fed butter and MCT oil to your coffee. The combination of healthy fats and caffeine will give you sustained energy and mental clarity throughout the day. Plus, it's a great way to get your daily dose of healthy fats. So if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to start your day, look no further than keto butter coffee. #2, keto coffee creamer. If you love coffee but are looking for a healthier alternative to traditional creamers, this keto coffee creamer recipe is for you. This keto coffee creamer is the perfect way to add a little richness and flavor to your morning cup of joe without adding any sugar or carbs. It's made with just a few simple ingredients, including heavy cream, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Just whisk all the ingredients together in a bowl until they're combined and then store the mixture in the fridge in an airtight container. When you're ready to use it, just add a few tablespoons to your coffee and enjoy. You can also experiment with other flavors by adding things like cinnamon or almond extract. And if you want to make it even more indulgent, you can top it with whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate chips. #3, keto superfood latte. Start your day with this delicious and nutritious keto superfood latte recipe. Made with just a few simple ingredients, this latte is not only low in carbs, but it's also packed with healthy fats and protein. This keto superfood latte coffee recipe is also packed with antioxidants. This latte will give you sustained energy throughout the day. The best part is that it only takes a few minutes to make. Just blend together some coconut milk, coffee, MCT oil, collagen peptides, and a few other superfood ingredients, and you're good to go. Drink up and enjoy your power-packed day. #4, bulletproof creamy cashew coffee. This recipe is for delicious and creamy coffee that is also bulletproof. It is made with cashews, which are a rich source of healthy fats as well as protein and fiber. If you love coffee and cashews, then this bulletproof cashew creamy coffee recipe is for you. This rich and creamy coffee is made with just a few simple ingredients, and it's perfect for a quick and easy breakfast or snack. Simply blend together cashews, coffee, almond milk, and dates in a blender until smooth. For an extra boost of protein, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. If you're looking for a sweeter coffee, add a touch of honey or maple syrup. Enjoy bulletproof cashews, creamy coffee immediately, or store it in the fridge for an iced treat. Number 5. Keto Cracked Coffee. Keto Cracked Coffee is an energizing coffee drink that is perfect for those on the keto diet. This Keto Cracked Coffee recipe is the perfect way to get your morning caffeine fix while sticking to your ketogenic diet. This recipe combines coffee, grass-fed butter, and MCT oil to create a drink that is high in healthy fats and provides sustained energy. The addition of MCT oils helps to boost metabolism and promote weight loss, making this drink an ideal choice for those looking to improve their health. To make Keto Cracked Coffee, simply combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy as is or add your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. If you're not on the keto diet, you can still enjoy this delicious coffee drink by substituting regular milk for the MCT oil. Number 6. Vanilla Keto Coffee. If you're looking for a delicious and creamy way to enjoy your morning cup of coffee, look no further than this vanilla creamer coffee recipe. This recipe for vanilla creamer coffee is the perfect way to start your day. The coffee is rich in full flavor, with a hint of vanilla sweetness. Made with just 4 simple ingredients, this coffee is rich, smooth, and undeniably flavorful. Best of all, it's easy to make right at home. Simply combine milk, heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is heated through. Then, pour it over your favorite coffee and enjoy. For an extra touch of sweetness, top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Delicious and decadent, this vanilla creamer coffee is sure to become a new breakfast favorite. Number 7. Iced Mocha Coffee. Only some people can start their day with a hot cup of coffee. For some, it's just not possible to imagine getting through the morning without this boost of caffeine. If you fall into this category, then you know that there are endless ways to enjoy your coffee. One of our personal favorites is the iced mocha. This recipe is simple to make and can be tailored to your own personal taste. The first step is to brew your coffee. We recommend using a dark roast for this recipe, but feel free to experiment with different types of coffee until you find the perfect one for you. Once your coffee is brewed, add in the milk and chocolate syrup. Again, the amount of each ingredient is up to you. Once you have your desired proportions, mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Now, it's time for the fun part. Adding the ice cream. We recommend using a scoop of vanilla ice cream, but really any flavor will do. Add the ice cream to your cup and then pour the coffee mixture over top. Stir everything together and enjoy. Number 8. Frosted Coffee. If you're looking for a delicious and low-carb way to enjoy your morning coffee, this keto frosted coffee recipe is the perfect choice. It is packed with healthy fats and protein, and it is sure to keep you full until lunchtime. The best part is that it only takes a few minutes to make. Simply blend together coffee, milk, butter, and protein powder, and then pour into a glass or mug. If you want to add a little sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of honey or stevia. Then, top with your favorite keto-friendly frosting. I like to use either whipped cream or peanut butter for this recipe. You can also add a few chocolate chips or sprinkles for an extra special treat. Number 9. Keto Dalgona Coffee. Looking for a delicious and healthy way to start your day? Why not try this Keto Dalgona Coffee recipe? If you're keto and you've been longing for a sweet treat, this Keto Dalgona Coffee recipe is for you. Combining the rich flavor of espresso with the sweetness of sugar-free whipped cream, this coffee drink is a delicious way to get your caffeine fix. And at only 2 net carbs per serving, it is a guilt-free treat that you can enjoy anytime. To make this Keto Dalgona coffee, simply whip together heavy cream, keto-friendly sweetener, and instant coffee until stiff peaks form. Then, layer the coffee mixture over your favorite keto coffee drink and enjoy. With its creamy texture and rich flavor, this Keto Dalgona coffee is sure to become your new go-to coffee drink. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try today. And finally, number 10, bulletproof coffee. If you're looking for a coffee recipe that will give you an energy boost and help you power through your day, look no further than bulletproof coffee. This rich and creamy coffee drink is made with grass-fed butter, a bit of raw organic cacao powder, which is nutrient-dense, MCT oil, and freshly brewed organic coffee. The addition of fats makes this coffee drink surprisingly filling and satisfying, and the long-lasting energy will help you stay focused and productive all day long. To make bulletproof coffee, simply add 1 tablespoon each of the grass-fed butter, cacao powder, and MCT oil to a blender along with your freshly brewed coffee. Blend on high until the mixture is smooth and frothy. Pour into a mug and enjoy. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of health and fitness and much, much more. Take care.